Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Mailatul Chumairoh, and in this video I will present my final semester project which discusses English syntactic analysis using a syntax tree. A syntax tree is a way to visually represent the structure of a sentence. Through a syntax tree, we can see how the word is in a sentence arranged starting from the phrase and words to their grammatical function. In this video, I will explain the definition of a syntax tree, its function and uses, and provide an example of syntax tree analysis of an English sentence step by step. But before starting the analysis, let us first look at and understanding the symbols used in syntax so that there will be no confusion during the explanation later. Here are the symbols. Hopefully, this video can help you understand the concept of syntax trees more clearly. Now, let's begin the discussion. I will analyze the syntax tree of the following sentence. Alia always finishes her homework before the deadline. First, this sentence is written in the simple present tense. In general, the structure of this sentence consists of two main branches, a noun phrase and a verb phrase. The noun phrase function as the subject, and the subject in this sentence is Alia. Since it refers to a person, I use a pronoun symbol or pronoun. Next, we move to the verb phrase, also known as the predicate, which is always finishes her homework before the deadline. This verb phrase is divided into five branches. The first branch in the word always, which function as an adverb of frequency, a word used to indicate how often an action occurs. The main verb in this sentence is finishes. The verb is a transitive verb because it requires an object, which is her homework. However, in a syntax tree, the verb is written in the base form, which is finish, not finishes. The information about present tense is placed in auxiliary branch tenses. Therefore, the second branch represents auxiliary and tense information marked with the symbol pres or present. At the tense's position, there is a present tense marker and agreement with the subject Alia, which is the third person singular. Because of this, the verb receives the S marker. However, since the verb finish and in sh, the S ending is morphologically realized as ES, resulting in the service from finishes. The third branch is VT, which indicates a transitive verb, namely finish. The fourth branch is noun phrase, her homework. The word her functions as a possessive determiner, while homework functions as a noun. The five branches is the prepositional phrase, before the deadline. The word before is a preposition and the deadline is a noun phrase consisting of the determiner the and the noun deadline. That concludes the explanation of the syntax tree analysis of the sentence Alia always finishes her homework before the deadline. Through the analysis, we can see that sentence structure can be explained systematically, from phrase division to the role of tense and agreement in verb information. Hopefully, this explanation helps you understand the concept of syntax trees more easily and clearly. Thank you for your attention.